AI news from Africa now. Africa's first AI factory could be breakthrough for the continent. This is from CNN. Um, in Kigali, in Rwanda, ahead of the Global AI Summit on Africa, uh, uh, things are being discussed. Um, and last week, there was an announcement from Cassava Technologies, a tech firm founded by Zimbabwean telecoms billionaire, that will be building Africa's first artificial intelligence factory in partnership with leading AI chip maker NVIDIA. Um, They're supercomputers which use graphic processing units, GPUs, that often power AI will be deployed at the data centers in South Africa from as early as June, before being rolled out across the company's other facilities in Egypt, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. So not just one in Africa. They're wanting to create multiple factories in Africa, starting with South Africa, hoping to have it um, ready for June before going to Egypt, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. Um, and often people say Africa isn't invested in. This is my point of view. I'm not an African, but from what I've been seeing, often people say Africa is being left behind, just like often people say other parts of the world is being left behind. But with AI, I guess now they're trying to make up for it rather than being 10, 20 more years left behind. They're trying to um, make use of AI and emerging technologies as soon as possible. Perhaps they would have liked to do it earlier, but I guess the next best time is now. It'll be interesting to see how this changes the landscape of Africa in terms of business, in terms of economy, finance, and other things. Um, and it's good to see that often when something happens in Africa, it's only in one major um, city within a big country. But now they're looking to start in South Africa, but then go to other countries. It's good to see, and it shows you how quickly AI is becoming um, part of the current time and not just the future anymore. It's the present, and maybe technology before it, like computer, like the internet, things like this were slow to be used and implemented and rolled out in Africa and Asia and other places. But with AI, we're seeing is being used more quickly, and it's good to see. And hopefully, we see more things like this in Africa, in Asia, in South America, and many parts of the world which were slow and perhaps not out of their own fault, but for whatever reason they were slow in terms of tech. Hopefully, they can this time not be left behind in terms of AI.